Welcome to IBIS Styles Subic. In this quick hotel review, I'll give you a closer look at this newly opened 3-star hotel, perfectly located in the heart of the Subic Bay Freeport Zone. With its modern rooms, convenient location, and affordable rates, could this be your next staycation or race weekend hotel in Subic? Let's get started. IBIS Styles Subic is a newly opened 3-star hotel with a great location in the Subic Bay Freeport Zone, along Rizal Highway and right in front of the Harbor Point Mall. Its location is excellent as it's right in the center of Subic Bay, just a 10 minutes drive from the Subic Bay Convention Center and about 10 minutes walk from the SBMA beach. We stayed for a night during the Ironman Philippines 2026 race weekend, and several other participants were staying at the hotel, with the IBIS Styles Subic staff assisting the participants as well as allowing the bikes to be stored in the rooms. Average room prices are around 5,000 to 6,000 pesos, which is on the mid-tier pricing of accommodations around Subic Bay. One notable thing about the hotel is that almost all amenities are still under construction. So aside from their manifesto restaurant and the hotel lobby, there isn't really much amenities that the hotel can offer. Good thing they are in front of the Harbor Point Mall in case you want to do some shopping or dining. Another downside as well is that their parking options are limited, so during the Ironman race weekend, there was a bit of issue with parking. Here's a quick room tour of their standard room with 2 single beds. 413 tent. So we get power and then ganda. Looks great. So here's the toilet. Then here's the shower. As you can see, ganda, clean, well styled. Yeah, that's why it's called IBIS style. And then malaking mirror, huge mirror here. Then there's a mini faucet here where you can wash your hands and face. It's not in the toilet. So this is how you close the door to the toilet. And then a spacious room. And there's a welcome greetings for the Ironman guests. Spacious room for their standard, their cheapest room, which we availed for 5,500 pesos. And then some toiletries, probably a ref here. Then there's a small round table. The bed seems comfy enough, and yeah, overall, the rooms are great, spacious. Like it, kinda okay for its price. The downside is all their amenities and facilities like the pool, gyms, there are all still under construction. So uh, another good point with this hotel is it's just in front of Ayala Mall, so the Harbor Point Ayala Mall, which is that one there. Let's zoom in. So that's the mall, and it's just a walking distance. And I would say, what do you rate this? Well, 1 out of 5. Sa tingin mo? I think 4 out of 5. Maganda yung rooms, mabait yung staff. Yes, and because we're taking 1 point off because there's still no amenities. Although before you book, they are informing you about that. Or here's our luggages. We really like the rooms of IBIS Styles Subic.
Especially the TVs are actually smart TVs, and you can watch your favorite streaming apps like Netflix, Amazon Prime, YouTube, and more. It would be perfect except for a couple of issues. First is the internet is slow for today's standard. My phone data is actually faster during our stay. Second is that the room soundproofing can be improved as you can hear the noise coming from the hallway. Overall, I'll give the rooms a B minus. The rooms are spacious and very comfortable, new and modern vibes. The only issue is the slow internet and the soundproofing. Hopefully, it will improve in the future. Quick feedback regarding the food and service. First, the service is amazing as expected from this hotel. Hotel staff were all friendly, and they accommodated the needs of the participants of Ironman Philippines, including allowing bikes in their rooms. While they don't still have phones inside rooms for customer service, you can reach the lobby and the customer service via SMS, call, or through WhatsApp. The food was okay. It was a bit on the expensive side, but the serving was gracious and the taste was great. The in-room food selection is a bit on the slow side though, as it took more than 30 minutes for our orders to arrive. Overall, I'll give the food and service a B+. Service was excellent, especially the staff at the reception. And the food, while a bit on the expensive side, was decent for its price. So that concludes our quick review of IBIS Styles Subic. Sadly, since most amenities are still under construction, like their pool and gym, I can't give out any scores to that area. But IBIS Styles Subic at its current state is a good hotel stay here in Subic, especially if you will consider its location. Hopefully, we can revisit this good hotel in the future once their facilities and amenities are all built and working. Thanks for watching and please like and subscribe for more travel videos. See you on the next adventure.